2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.